What if I told you two engines can look almost identical but feel completely different on the road? One is aggressive and punchy, the other is smooth, powerful, and almost effortless. This is Blackline Drives, and today we're breaking down the real difference between V8 and V12 engines in just 5 minutes. A V8 engine has 8 cylinders arranged in a V shape. A V12 has 12 cylinders, also arranged in a V configuration. More cylinders mean more combustion events happening simultaneously, and that directly affects smoothness, power delivery, and sound. At Blackline Drives, we focus on what that actually means for real driving feel. In general, V12 engines produce smoother and more continuous power because with 12 cylinders, power strokes overlap more frequently. That means less vibration and seamless acceleration. V8 engines are lighter and more compact. They respond faster and deliver aggressive torque, especially at lower RPMs. Now let's talk about the sound. A V8 sounds deep, raw, and aggressive. It growls. A V12 sounds smoother and more exotic. It screams at high RPM. But more cylinders come with trade-offs. V12 engines are heavier, more complex, and more expensive to maintain. They also consume more fuel. V8 engines are more practical, more common, and easier to engineer into modern performance cars. Driving a V8 feels raw and energetic. You feel instant torque. Driving a V12 feels effortless and refined. The power builds smoothly, almost endlessly. So which one would you choose? Raw muscle or smooth power? Let us know in the comments. This is Blackline Drives, where performance meets precision. Subscribe for more automotive breakdowns.